So when it comes to estate planning, tax laws and strategies can be kind of complicated. In California, we don't actually have an estate tax. So when somebody passes away, surprisingly, California does not actually tax the deceased. Where we have it is from a federal perspective. So there is a federal estate tax exemption. Right now in 2024, the federal estate tax exemption amount is over $13 million for an individual, which means you can have an estate that is up to $13 million that is tax-free. Anything above that $13 million is going to be taxed, generally at a rate at about 40%, which is very high, right? And if you're married, it's not just that $13 million, you actually get double that. So it's over $27 million for a married couple if they were to pass away in 2024. That is the estate tax exemption right now. If you have concern over taxes when it comes to estate planning, there's also the opportunity for a gifting strategy. You have the ability on an annual basis to gift up to $18,000 to any one person per year. So if you have a family of 10 people, you can give each person $18,000 and pay no taxes on that gift to them. That is what you are entitled to do. And it doesn't even have to be family. It can be anyone. You can do that for any person up to $18,000. And it's not just for a married couple, it can be per individual person. So $18,000 for one spouse, $18,000 for another spouse. Again, this is a very specific strategy if you are concerned about estate taxes. If someone is married, they have the ability to give their estate to their spouse completely tax-free. This is called marital deduction. This allows you to say, if I have an estate that's upwards of $30 million, $70 million, whatever it may be, all of that can go to your spouse without paying any estate taxes. The issue that you have is when that spouse gets that money, what are they going to do if they're over the estate tax exemption at that time? Another really important factor to consider when it comes to estate taxes is that in 2026, the current estate tax exemption of over $13 million is going to what we call sunset, meaning it's going to go back down to about $5 million and probably be adjusted for inflation. However, we don't actually know what is going to happen. This is something that is going to be brought down from Congress, and we really don't know what's going to happen, and we won't know until at the time that it does happen.